So these are two centripetal acceleration formulas, right? There's the one with V and R, and there's the one with R and period, right? Okay. Now, right below them is are the force ones, right? Okay. And if you're paying attention here, notice that the force ones are just m times that, right? This is because F still equals ma. This is Newton's second law, right? And so this guy, F is mv squared over r, is the one with velocity and radius, and F equals m 4 pi squared r over t squared is the one that relates radius, period, and mass. Okay? Let's just use these, do a couple examples here. Okay? What force is required to swing a 5 kilogram object at 6 meters per second in a 75? So, well, look out for this person. Okay, I'm going to step away from this one. Okay, so our centripetal force is mv squared over r. And I'm going to choose that one because they give me the velocity. Okay, when they give you the period, you got to use the period one, but I'm going to use the one with velocity. Okay, so I'm going to go 5.0 times 6.0. Don't forget to square the velocity. And then 75 centimeters is 0.75 meters. Okay, it's advanced math there. So 5 times 6 squared divided by 0.75 is exactly 240 newtons. Ta-da. Let's do an example of the other one. Okay, sometimes people are scared of that one, but really it's a toothless tiger, you know. Okay, so this one is F centripetal force is equal to m 4 pi squared r over t squared. So let's see, 0.215 kilogram piece of clothing, right? So the mass is 0.215. I'm not going to say what kind of clothing that is, okay? Times 4 pi squared, and then what's our radius? 42 centimeters, so 0.42 meters, right? And then divided by, it takes 1/8 of a second. That's a 1/8 in fraction form. So this means it's going around 8 times a second. Some washing machines spin super fast. I don't know if they go that fast, but I bet they do. I just made that number up. All right, so don't forget to square that t. Kids forget that. Like I said, so m 4 pi squared r over t squared. Okay, so 0.215 times 4 pi squared times 0.42 divided by 0.125 squared, 228 newtons. 0.153 or something like that newtons. So it's about 228 newtons of force. Yeah, washing machine drums have to be pretty strong. When as a kid, I used to roll down small hills inside a washing machine drum. I guess I was small enough to fit in there. It explains some things about me.